Hey guys, this is Mr. A Crizzy here, and right here I got my puppy, my dog, my French bulldog Louie, of course. This is Louie right here. Yep. And of course, as you can see right here, Louie likes to catch laser dots like a cat, of course. Watch this. That's the laser dot right there. Oh, you see that? Yeah. Like Louie's chasing after a laser dot like a cat, of course. What's that? What's that, Louie? Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Ooh. Let's see if we can get it on the couch here. Louie, over here. Dot's over here. Wait, where? Oh, hold on. The light went. The laser went out. Oh, there we go. Yeah, on the couch. There you go, guys. Yeah, it's like yeah. See, like Louie's chasing laser dots like a cat, of course. Of course, Louie is acting like a cat, of course, because you know how cats like to catch laser dots. That's what Louie's acting like right now, a cat. So I would have been like, so that could have been like a cartoon, a Nicktoon, like a Nickelodeon cartoon reference to like Cat Dog, whatever. Because yeah, it was yeah, it was even referenced in the sequel to the Secret Life Pets 2. There's a Cat Dog reference in that movie. Louie, right there. I like it like when he lands on that chair there. Oh, and I also got to be careful. Like, I also got to be careful with this laser dot right here because I got to make sure that it doesn't go into Louie's eyes. Because my mom told me not to do that because, yeah, because a laser dot's kind of like a light, of course, where it's like that's sometimes how lights can can hurt your eyes and burn your eyes or something like that. But yeah, so we don't want that. Wow. Louie, down here. Yep. Oh, kind of caught there. Caught it there. Ooh. Oh, careful. Yeah. All right, guys. So So I'm just gonna let Louie play with the laser dots some more, and yeah, and we're gonna wrap this video up here. So hope you guys enjoyed this video of Louie playing with the laser dot like a cat. Of course, I keep saying that a lot, but anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure to like this video. Yep. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And as always, thanks for watching. And until next time, this is Mr. A. Crizzy saying goodbye, everybody, and that's about it.